Hi class 10, let's continue our class. Right, so right on. Today next topic is your so far we have done chemical properties of metal. So today we'll do chemical properties of non-metals. Okay, so right on chemical properties of non-metal. And before starting the topic, I would like to say something to all the students. Okay, so only a few are doing and others are not doing this. कतिले बुझाएको छैन, कतिले भिडियो हेरेको छैन. ओके, सो वाट इट इफेक्ट, ओके, कन्सिक्वेन्स विल बी ब्याड, भेरी ब्याड. ओके, तिमीले भोलि पर्सि मार्क्स दिएर नभन्नु. ओके, सो जसले गरेको छ उनीहरूले मार्क्स पाउँछ. ओके, सिधा स्ट्रेट फरवर्ड. ओके, जसले गरेको छैन, जसले होमवर्क बुझाएको छैन तिनीहरू दे विल नट गेट द 20 मार्क्स. ओके, एब्सेन्ट, आई विल राइट एब्सेन्ट. सो from today submit your whatever we done. Okay, whatever homework. Okay, otherwise timi straight forward I will not give marks. Okay, so write down first reaction of non-metal with oxygen. Okay, first we will start with oxygen. What happens? Okay, so write down non-metals reacts with oxygen to form acidic oxide or neutral oxide. Okay, acidic oxide or neutral oxide. So last time we done metal के गर्थ्यो, basic oxide, isn't it? यहाँ चाहिँ के गर्दैछ, acidic or neutral oxide गर्छ. Okay, non-metal. So example, first one is your carbon. Okay, so carbon plus oxygen, that is your gas, you will get what? You will get carbon dioxide. So this is your acidic in nature, acidic oxide. Clear? Likewise you can see sulfur. Okay, then you'll do next this is your acidic oxide. Next is your it also gives us neutral oxide, isn't it? So second one is your carbon plus oxygen, molecule of oxygen, carbon to carbon of atom of carbon gives carbon monoxide, isn't it? So this is your neutral oxide. So whenever non-metal, carbon or non-metal, isn't it, reacts with oxygen gives acidic oxide or neutral oxide. You also write this as example, what? Nitrogen plus oxygen, you will get 2H2O. This is also neutral, isn't it? Water, formation of water. Clear? So next write down reaction of non-metal with water. Next write down reaction of non-metal with water. What happens? See, non-metal do not, okay, non-metal do not react with water. Non-metal do not react with water. To evolve hydrogen gas to evolve hydrogen gas. के हुन्छ नन मेटल वाटरसँग रियाक्टै गर्दैन भन्नु चाहेको. ओके नेक्स्ट थर्ड वान इज योर दिस इज सेकेन्ड वान. थर्ड वान इज योर dilute acid. Okay, reaction with dilute acid. Dilute acid. Dilute acid means some water is there. Okay, so here also non-metals do not react with acid or dilute acid with dilute acid. Clear? So it did not form any hydrogen gas. Clear? Next, fourth, reaction of non-metal with salt. Okay, fourth one is a reaction of non-metal with salt. Write down salt. What happens if non-metals mix with salt? Okay, so here nothing will happen, just more reactive non-metal displace or displacement reaction happens. Okay, displacement reaction takes place. Okay, so like example write down. So write down more reactive or more reactive non-metal displace list reactive non-metal. Okay, clear? So sodium bromine plus chlorine is there, then what happens? This is your salt, isn't it? Sodium salt. Okay, plus chlorine. So see, bromine and chlorine, so which one is reactive? Chlorine is reactive than bromine. So in place of chlorine you have, sorry, in place of bromine you have chlorine. So so this is your displacement reaction. Okay, so next write down reaction with chlorine. What happens? Chlorine, CHLORINE, chlorine. So write down non-metal reacts with chlorine. Okay, non-metal, this is your fifth chemical property. Non-metals react with chlorine. So write down non-metals react with chlorine to form covalent chlorides with non-electrode. Okay, so example, non-metal, write down non-metal react with chlorine to form covalent chlorides. Covalent. Next topic will do this one. Covalent means what? Okay, covalent chlorides. Chloride. Okay, so which are non-electrolyte, means it do not conduct electricity. Which are non-electrolyte. Clear? So H2 gas react with chlorine, what you'll get? You'll get HCl. So this is your covalent chloride. Okay, covalent chloride. See why? Because two hydrogen is there, two chlorine is there, so one, so they are share each other. Okay, bonding my parts of thing. Okay, so fifth one is done, right? Now sixth one write down with hydrogen. Chlorine done with. Now last one is your hydrogen. Sorry, hydrogen done, chlorine done. Now last one is your hydrogen. Okay, so reaction of non-metal with hydrogen, what happens? So whenever non-metals react with hydrogen, okay, to form covalent hydrates. Okay, hydrates चाहिँ फर्म हुन्छ मेटल र नन मेटल हाइड्रेट्स चाहिँ फर्म गर्छ या कोभ्यालेन्ट क्लोराइड चाहिँ फर्म गर्छ तर के हुन्छ यहाँनिर चाहिँ कोभ्यालेन्टहरू आउँछ. ओके, सो non metals react with hydrogen. देख्दैछ राम्ररी, हाइड्रोजन to form covalent hydrates. Okay, covalent hydrates. So write down hydrogen gas, isn't it, plus non-metal. Take any non-metal. Sulfur. This is your sulfur liquid. So this will gives H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Okay, this is your covalent hydrates. This is your covalent hydrates. Why covalent hydrate? Because they form bonding, okay, between hydrogen and sulfide. Okay, sulfur. Okay, so next one is your comparison. Okay, comparison, do it yourself. Okay, comparison among the properties of non-metal and metal. पहिला के गर फिजिकल, नेक्स्टमा गर केमिकल. ओके, आफै गर्दा हुन्छ, सट्टै बनाऊ. पहिला फिजिकल लेख, फिजिकल प्रपर्टी. ओके, सो यतापट्टि मेटल, यतापट्टि नन मेटल. एटलिस्ट 4 1 2 3 4 चारवटा याद राख्नुपर्छ ल. सो फिजिकलमा लेख्नुपर्छ मेटल्स आर मिलेबल डक्टाइल एन्ड के छ मिलेबल डक्टाइल एन्ड this is the metal. Okay, non-metal brittle, isn't it, brittle. Second में लेखा metals are good conductor of electricity, non-metals are bad conductor लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ. Okay, partially conductor लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ. Okay, next metal are lustrous, non-metal are non-lustrous. Okay, त्यसरी नै केमिकल प्रपर्टीमा पनि त्यस्तै लेख. केमिकल प्रपर्टी पनि चारवटा चाहिँ याद हुनुपर्छ. सो 1 2 3 बनाऊ ल कपीमा. ओके, so first point, metals forms basic oxide, isn't it. Non-metal forms acidic or neutral oxide. Clear. Next one, metals displace hydrogen from water. Okay, so non-metals do not displace hydrogen from water. Next, metals form ionic chlorides with chlorine. Non-metals forms covalent chloride with chlorine. फिर fourth में metal forms and with metal react with hydrogen to form hydrides. यहाँ चाहिँ के हुन्छ covalent hydrides. Okay, so मजाले लेख. I'll check the copy. Okay, so next one is your use of metals. Okay, write down use of metal. यति गरौँ ल. use आज use साउन्ड पढ्नुपर्छ ल. uses of metal. metal कहाँ use हुन्छ, you know, isn't it. So at least 3 or 4 you have to remember. Okay, so uses of metals. So first write down copper and aluminum metals are used to make wire to carry electric current. Copper and aluminum. Okay, तिम्रो वाटमा लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ. ओके, copper and aluminum, aluminum are used to make wires to carry electric current. This is later. second more, iron, copper, aluminum are used to make household utensil. Okay, UTNSILS, घरको भाँडाकुँडाहरू पनि यसले बनाउँछ. Okay, household utensil. Next, iron is used at catalysis preparation of fiber process or ammonia. Okay, zinc use, यो लेख third ma zinc is used for galvanizing, galvanizing, galvanizing iron को माथि लगाइदिन्छ ओके zinc to protect it from rusting, clear. तीनटा या चारटा याद राख्नु ल. त्यसरी नै lead is used to making battery. फोर्थ मा लेख lead metal is used in making batteries. Okay, right. So next write down use of non-metal. चारटासम्म चाहिँ याद हुनुपर्छ ल, कोही बेला 3 मार्क्स आउँछ. ओके, use of non-metal, at least 4 use you should know. So non-metals use. Hydrogen is used in hydrogenation of vegetable oils. Okay, hydrogen, HYDROGN, hydrogen is used in the hydrogenation, hydrogenation of oils. Okay, next topic write down, next point write down. Liquid hydrogen is liquid hydrogen, LIQUID, liquid hydrogen is used in rocket fuel. Okay, used as a rocket fuel, FUEL, fuel. Okay, 5 वटा याद हुनुपर्छ. कार्बन is used for making electrodes, okay, of dry cell. Carbon is used to make electrodes in dry cell. Carbon is used making carbon is used in making electrodes in dry cell. Okay, so next write down 5th ma nitrogen is used for making ammonia. तिम्रो बुक कुनै पनि बुकमा पाउँछ ल यो सबै लेख. सो चारटा चाहिँ याद हुनुपर्छ. ओके, सो next class, today this much for today. So next class we have how do metals and non-metals react. Okay, metals and non-metals, how do they react. Okay, कसरी तिनीहरु के हुन्छ आपसमा साटगाट हुन्छ. Okay, that will study. Okay, so stay tuned. So thank you for class, and मैले के भनेको छु याद राख्नु है ल.